name is Renato. Been in Costa Rica my whole life, born, raised in the town Uvita, or Bahia Ballena. Start surfing at the age of 18 years old. That was the first time I ever looked at a surfboard. And it was a first time connection with the surfboards and the ocean. Not so much with the ocean because that connection was already there since I was born right at the beach. But surfing has something that I was interested and didn't get into until I was 18. Found myself in the wrong places, and when I found surfing, it seemed like it pulled me out of those places. And the minute I tried, I knew that that was it. That's the sport I wanted to connect with, and that's the sport that brought me passion and brought me a light. Well, shaping boards in general, to me, it's something that anybody can do, but it also has this part that is very challenging. So anybody can make a board, but when you get into the actual forming of the board, there has to be a connection between what you're creating and what you're looking at, because you're getting a block of foam. Now you're putting an idea into something that has to be functional. So when it comes to surfboard building or shaping, there's a connection that has to coexist in order to create functionality. So to me, surfboard shaping, while I'm shaping, I'm imagining, I'm picturing the surfer or myself even riding that wave, and what do I want to do with this board? So the creation becomes, the shaping becomes an art itself, as obviously it is an art, but the idea behind is that I imagine every step that I go through it, so you give some soul to what you're making. We surf the people that want to advance their surf. We want to create boards that will bring your surfing to a different level. Boards that are easy to understand and get used to them. Since I was a surfer that I started on my late ages, the thought of not being able to catch a wave, the thought of fighting with the waves has always driven me crazy. So what I want is that when you get out there, you feel what I feel when I make the board, that you understand the board, that you know what you're getting into it before you go out. So our group, a circle of people that we serve, it's big, but we focus on high performance surfers. As our main sponsor right now, the main guys that we have under our wing, Jorge. Jorge's like our main team rider, and we agreed to work together for me to understand how surfers of his level are and operate and surf, and for him also to understand how surfboards are, since this whole sponsorship is not just about how we can make boards and how we can surf better, but also how we can all get together and then better ourselves on the surfing industry. As a surfboard shaper, we don't just want to give you a board, but we want to help you create much more appreciation of surfing. And surfing is not just about catching the big wave, catching the best maneuver, doing the best turn. It's more of appreciation of surfing itself. And at Garro Surfboards, we want to help you get there.